Okay, we have a refinement. A refinement is creating concepts, refi- creating concepts, refinement, and road to design success. This will accomplish through an iterative development process of sketching, like CAD design, model making, testing, and redesign to actualize your ideas. So this is you use some of these minor applications to simple application, sorry, simple application to do your refinement, to place your idea in a pictorial format. Then creative concept refinement and the roadmap to design. Sorry. So now there's what we call iteration. That is reversing the concept based on feedback. That's when the feedback is given. When you've gotten some feedback, um, you have to retouch some of your steps, to revisit some of your steps and all of that. Then finalization, you polish the concept and preparing for implementation. At this point, the real and actual product will that is where the real and actual product will come out. That's where the real and actual product will come out. Now, case study. Case study give us the detailed description and assessment of our idea in real world. This one will tell at this point, this will tell you the truth. Will tell you the truth of what you're going to do, what you're going to have after you've gotten after your what's the name, the end product. You understand? Now, example is the detailed example of successful concept creation process, and use a step followed, like highlighting each step from ideation to retirement. Now we need a simple software to handle this all this stuff. Like we have tools like Sketch, Adobe XD, we have Miro, we have MS PowerPoint. Then these are the simple what's the name software that we use to handle a concept creation, to put our idea to a beautiful form that can help us to um, help us to um, follow a standard procedure from the beginning to the end. Now, methodologies. Now we design thinking, then lean startup. Then agile also is also used for our methodologies. Then okay, you can say the design thinking is a non-linear, iterative process that teams or you use we use to understand users' challenge their assumptions, redefine problems, and create innovative solutions to prototype and testing. This is what um, the design thinking mean. Then the lean startup methodology promotes effective testing and the fulfillment of a product or services in each part of the process. Each part of the process. Then agile supports collaboration and continuous improvement, both of which can lead to innovation and the development of new products and features. Okay, we have some challenges in concept creation. Now we have new ideas or new service development process consists of several stages such as planning, concept development, level design, detailed design, testing, refinement, and production wrap up. Each stages has its own importance and impact of the successful of new idea depending on the inheritance of the levels or parts. You know, in this job, the endeavor is to identify the challenges which are to be dealt with in the stage of concept creation for new products and services. You know, a lot of challenges will come up. Like you will even get to the point that you start thinking that this thing cannot work. You understand that this thing cannot work on, if not until you work on these challenges from the beginning, from the onset, before you embark on anything. If not until uh, you work on these challenges, that whatever it takes, I will start from the beginning and finish to the end to get the end product. So we are going to see how to overcome these challenges in concept creation. Now we have communication barriers. We have communication barriers. We have lack of alignment. Communication barrier, uh, like where the products that you have may not properly be useful in your area. So you have to move to the area that is useful to them. So one, you need to communicate and all of that. Maybe you need an idea from outsiders. How are you going to approach and all of that is part of these challenges. Then self discouragement also is part of this. That is self discouragement that you get to a point and say, "Can this thing? I don't think it will work. It will work the way it is and all of that." Then we have limited creativity. Limited creativity. We have difficulty in convergence. If you are working as a group, then importance of collaboration. You may think you are okay by only you handling a particular project. Sorry, only you handling a particular project. No, it's necessary if the project is what you need collaboration. You actually have to uh, source in collaborative body or persons to join you so that your idea can come out the way you want, the way it was designed from your the information you gathered within yourself and all of that. So it's very very important to collaborate. Is a very key factor in success of many creative projects. And diversity is another important factor in the power of collaboration. So you need a way of managing people around you, because you don't expect people to behave the way you behave. You don't, because you guys are from people are from different backgrounds, the way they were brought up, the way the environment they are, and all of that. So you have to manage the diversity within the system, within the system, because one, you are the center, you are in the center of everything. So you are looking at the goal that you set for yourself and the objective. Now, uh, well, at this point, I want to conclude this way, that generally concept creation is not a content creation. It's a great roadmap to a successful idea. Then any plan without actualization is an unproductive idea with wasting of time and energy, as I've earlier said. Now, we must put this principle to work before we can be successful in our daily business activities and in our various specializations. So I actually wish you all the best. Wish you all the best as you push forward in your various places. Thank you all. Thank you.